Greetings, it's Chris here from selfmadenewbie.com. Welcome to this FunnelJoy review. Now, are you trying to make money online? Do you want to sell products, affiliate products, or your own products, or drop shipping? Do you want to sell a service maybe? And do you want to do that in the easiest way possible with the least amount of effort as possible? If so, FunnelJoy is a great funnel page builder, drag and drop builder that is really gonna help you out with those goals. In a nutshell, you could compare FunnelJoy to Funnel 360, which I reviewed a few weeks ago. You could compare it to Lead Pages, you could compare it to ClickFunnels, you could also compare it to the new Get Response Auto Funnel. You design pages with it, simple pages that have the objective of gathering leads in order for you to later, I assume, give offers to or send product offers to and things like that. If you are trying to sell online, blogs and things like that, or normal websites with lots of menu options are not the most effective thing to do. It's all about the funnels, it's all about the landing pages and the email capture. So today we're going to take a deep dive into FunnelJoy, see what it's like, demo, walk through, and I've also gotten for you a massive 18 bonus products that are going to supplement FunnelJoy really well and help you just get the absolute most out of it. Before we get into that though, it would really help me out if you just hit that like button if you want more updates, new videos like this, if you want to be notified, subscribe and turn on that bell notification. Now just quickly, if you want to check out FunnelJoy at any point during this video by yourself, just click the link in the description, you'll go through to my bonus page. Here it is on your screen now. And the way it works is my bonus page is integrated with the FunnelJoy vendor sales page. So if you click on any of these green buttons, you will lock in those 18 bonuses and then be taken through to the FunnelJoy vendor sales page. If you do purchase FunnelJoy, all of those bonuses will be sent to you in one big package and you can access them all immediately. Now it's taken me a while to get these bonus products for you, but when I get products together like this, I always make sure they're congruent with FunnelJoy. So while FunnelJoy is great for building landing pages and funnels, and there is some training in there on how to use it, I've tried to supplement it with products based around the question you're gonna be asking yourself after you've built that landing page is, okay, how do I get people to this page? So I've got these bonuses for you, all to do with getting that traffic. Bonus number one is called Evergreen Leads, the business edition. This is an all-encompassing lead generation training. So it goes into how to create a landing page, free offers, how to write marketing copy really well, how to write follow-up emails, how to follow up with prospects. There's a stuff in there about Facebook ads. There's stuff in there about SEO, on-page and off-page SEO, as well as how to market yourself on places like Instagram and Reddit. Bonus number two is from the social income series, and usually, you know, depending on what social media platform you want to advertise on, you will buy that respective version. I've thrown in all of the versions, so this is a 5-part bonus, and it's gonna make you versed in all of these social media platforms. It's got Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest, and also LinkedIn, which often gets overlooked. So it's gonna teach you how to really just become really effective and self-sufficient on these platforms enough where you can use them in order to drive traffic, social media traffic. Everybody's on social media, so you're gonna know how to get them from each of these platforms. Bonus number three is called authority blogging. So content marketing is the best marketing. This is gonna teach you how to produce quality blogs, how to produce quality posts that are gonna offer value to your audience, and that really gets your audience liking you then and following you, and that's really what you want. So it's gonna go into how to create effective content as well as SEO strategies so that your entire page just keeps continually being boosted on Google, and that's exactly what you want. So while I always advocate not to play fully defensively and just rely on SEO and passiveness, you do still need it, and you do still need to produce content. You should be blogging or vlogging or both, preferably, and because it's just a massive driver of traffic. Bonus number 4 is called email marketing success. So building on the last bonuses, you're going to know how to drive traffic from social media, from SEO, from blogging, and you're going to capture those customers or that audience, and then you're going to want to try and sell to them, right, through email. So, you know, it really does work in this linear progression. You build it, you're building the landing page, you're getting traffic, you lock in, you capture the traffic, and then you figure out how to communicate with that traffic on your terms. The way you do that is through email. This is going to cover everything to do with email marketing, selling through email. Bonus number 5 I've got on for you is just a massive bonus that the vendor has hooked me up with to give to you. So it's 10 bonus products. Here they are. We're going to go through really quickly. If you want to pause the screen, you can see the little descriptions. But these products are coming from the vendor. But again, they'll be all included in the package if you choose to buy it. Bonus number 1, your first membership site video course. Teaches you how to build membership sites. Pretty self-explanatory. Instant content creator. Then we have ebook maker. They've thrown in affiliate rockstar, so this is going to teach you advanced training on how to be an effective affiliate marketer. The internet marketer's handbook. I have this bonus too. I often give this away because it's just a great all-encompassing product that just helps you become like really good with this whole online marketing, affiliate marketing thing. Next one, niche marketing secrets. This gives you reports on different niches, which ones you can attack, how to attack them. The next bonus, lead generation workshop, another all-encompassing course similar to the bonuses I've gotten for you. Just how to get those leads, right? You're building the funnel in FunnelJoy, the landing page. This is going to teach you how to get the leads, traffic, SEO, social media, all that stuff. You got PLR content video training, white label profit plan, so how to sell white label products essentially if you don't have your own products. And copywriting secrets revealed. These are always good to have, often overlooked. Copy is important. You do have to know how to trigger emotions in people using language, written language, because it's the triggering of emotions that causes people to feel something, feel compelled to buy, and really buy what you're offering, essentially. So it's good that they've thrown in a copywriting product, because I always, you know, copywriting is one of those high income skills, and it's something that you should be not a super expert at, but at least know about, yeah? So 18 bonuses there, a ton of value. If that all sounds good to you, remember it's step 1, click through the link in the description. You'll come through to this page. If you click these green buttons, it will lock in, secure your bonuses, which will launch you off then to the FunnelJoy sales page. So this is the FunnelJoy sales page, and I recommend that you come through, check everything out, look at the testimonials, look at the demo videos, and just figure out which package that you want, and yeah, just figure it out for yourself. Have a good read through. It's pretty long. I'm not going to do it in this video because we'll be here all day, and yeah, just come through so you're able to make a more informed decision. For now though, I'm going to take you on a little tour through the FunnelJoy software. We're going to see what it can do, see what we can create. So this is the dashboard of FunnelJoy, and as you can see, really nicely laid out, and really what I would do is come in here and I would start on the training. So the training is up here, lots of videos here, pretty in-depth. Figure out how to use the software. There's a lot of good tips in here, from everything to building the pages, understanding the best different kind of funnels and which funnel you should be using for what purpose. And yeah, you could probably get through all this in like an afternoon, so I'd recommend doing that first. You also have your account settings over here, other settings, and then you have your contacts. So your contacts you can also integrate with various email platforms, so that when you're collecting those emails through your landing page, you know, you can choose whatever platform you use. There's full integration. So when you're building a funnel, you're building a landing page, what are you trying to do? You're trying to sell a product, right? So I would then, after the training, figure out what product you want to sell, whether that's yours or an affiliate one or whatever, and click on new product. Okay, what are we going to sell? Let's sell FunnelJoy. Let's sell FunnelJoy on a FunnelJoy funnel. New software. It's amazing. Okay, is it a membership product? Nah. We go continue. Goes across payment options, accepted payments. You can also use Stripe, but we haven't set that up yet, so JVZoo is fine. Pricing, one time or reoccurring. Let's make it one time and let's make it $10. And then your fulfillment email, so this gets sent out obviously if someone purchases your product. So there's our product there, and that shows up in the list, FunnelJoy. So the next thing we want to do is create a campaign, right? So a campaign is basically building your page. So we're going to sell FunnelJoy campaign, and you'll see the slug come up in the bottom there. You can add your own domain, but for now we'll just do one under the FunnelJoy domain, and that creates really quickly. Now it's time to create a page. Okay, as I said, you can add your own domain here. This is all the settings that you'd put in on your domain server. So we can import a page or we can create a page. Let's call it FunnelJoy Sales. Drag and drop or advanced. We're gonna go drag and drop because we like to work quickly, am I right? So it has a couple of pages here, opt-in pages, sales order pages, webinar pages, you even got your 404 pages. So what do we want to do? I like my landing pages to be super simple. I don't like to give the audience a lot of options. I just want them to come in, see something, and then I want to capture their email. So this looks like a good one. We could use this. So this is for, it's like a basic web page, but you know, it's very simple. You've got your countdown, you got your registration. I think for the purpose of this video though, we'll use a blank template and we'll see what we can create. As you can see, the builder, really good looking, really easy to use. We have a blank page here. What are we gonna do? Let's drag on a header. It automatically comes to the center, and we're gonna call it by FunnelJoy. It is amazing. That's our slogan. Keeping it simple. So we'll move that. Oh, okay. So we're gonna move that into the center here. It reminds me a little bit of Wix landing page builder, because there isn't really any kind of, you can just drag. I could put it there, you know. I could put it there. Okay. It's really free. You can just put things wherever you want. All right. Let's change the font. Mr. Roboto. Let's center it. We can add a link to it. Font style. Spacing. All that stuff. Okay. Let's add something else. We want an image, right? Here we go. FunnelJoy. Okay. Really simple. And as you can see, it's similar to Canva, where you see that yellow line comes in. You can see that everything we're doing is nice and centered. What else have we got here? We could put a video in there as well. Let's put a countdown timer in. Let's see what these look like. It's pretty cool. And our settings over here, countdown, so we can do fixed, we can do a stop clock, we can do evergreen, which I think resets every time someone visits. time zone. You can do whatever you want, really. Different skins and fonts and whatnot. And then I just want to add a button, really. You know, I want to keep it simple. I want people to come through. I want them to see the product. I want them to know that it's a limited time option, and I want them to sign up, right? And that's my quick and easy landing page. It's funny because if you go to selfmadenewbie.com or if you or other landing pages that I built, you'll see that I do make them as simple as possible. Very lazy, but they just work the best. They just do. You got your page settings up here, okay, for your SEO. You got your social info. You can add social links as well there. Integrations with you know, different email, get response, MailChimp, Orba, things like that. Over here we can preview what it would look like on mobile phone, so you can see, you know, it does adjust really well. And let's preview it. Okay, it comes out exactly how I wanted it. Pretty simple, but also looks pretty good. And that's it, right? I like that. The beauty is in its simplicity. It has one task, yeah? Build funnels, build landing pages, sell products, integrate with email, get you sales, okay? You don't need a ton of features, you just need the things that work. I noticed in the elements there on the page builder, progress bars, countdown timers, buttons, headers, text, video, graphics. That's it. Keeps it basic. It's exactly what I'd be looking for personally. If you want to create a funnel landing page, this is exactly what you want. A lot of different platforms out there, they try to overcomplicate things, and really it just gives you what I like to call analysis paralysis, right? So let's quickly take a look at the pricing. It's right here on the bonus page through the link in the description. You get the front end FunnelJoy for $27 and $47 agency. There's a one-time offer where you can join the FunnelJoy Club. That gives you 50 templates instead of 20, and you get 10 new templates added per month, which you might not think is a lot, but if you go to another, if you go and look for a theme for your WordPress blog, and you see how much they cost, which is around about $50 to $60 a month, 17 for 10 templates, and a membership site builder is not that bad, especially if you're building multiple sites. One-time offer number 2 is the FunnelJoy Kickstart Collab bundle. So this gives you Opt-in Joy, a best-selling lead generation tool, gives you Pixel Modo, which is a graphic creator, and you get a team sync feature. So this is good if you're working in a team. You got multiple people working on the campaign. One-time offer number 3 is just your reseller licenses. So if you want to sell this on to clients or to other people, there are 4 options depending on what licenses you want and how many you want. There are different licenses, so it's basically $97 for 100, commercial to $197, $250 commercial, $147 for the agency, $250 agencies for $297. Now I will say that in order to get those 18 bonuses that we were talking about earlier, you do only need to purchase the front end basic funnel builder. So really for $27 one time, and 18 bonus products worth, you know, upwards of $1,000. There really is a lot of value to be had here. If you think that this is something that might be helpful to you and your online business and your online money making goals, I do suggest that you check it out risk-free. It does come with a full 30-day money-back guarantee. The bonuses you can keep. So yeah, if you have any questions or concerns, comments, drop them down below. Hit me up on email or social media, whatever you want. I do reply to absolutely everybody. Otherwise, enjoy FunnelJoy, enjoy the bonuses, and I'll see you again on the next video. Take care.